Let us look at this NECO question as we have it here that the drawing below shows three views of a machine component drawn in first angle projection. Draw the isometric view of the component making A the lowest point. So here we have the orthographic views of the machine component as we are told. So it is indicated for us here that this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation, which is the left end elevation. So these views are given in first angle projection as stated in the instruction. So we are to put this part together to form the isometric view of this component. So it's very simple. Just follow me and then you'll be able to produce the isometric view of the object. So here we are given the lowest point A. So in the front elevation, we have it at this point. So in the end elevation, we have it at this point. So what I'm going to do here for you to be able to understand it quickly is that I'm going to produce this L shape. That is what I'm going to produce first. Okay, so if we are able to produce the isometric view of this L shape, isometric view, this is the orthographic view, so which is just a normal two-dimensional views. Okay, so if we are able to produce it in isometric, so you quickly put the rest of the part together for you to obtain the isometric view of the object. But let's look at the dimensions that we have here. So in the front elevation, we have that from here to here is 20, from here to this point, which is also this for this line, okay, is 20, and then we have what we have from here up is also 20 millimeters. So in the plan, this length from here to here is 20, from here to here is 40, the total length from here to here is 80, then from here to here is shown here as 16, and also from here to here it's also shown here as 16. Sorry, 15 millimeters, 15 millimeters, 15 millimeters. So let's see how the construction can be done. So what we are to do first is that we need to so we draw a short line here like this, and we indicate the lowest point. Very, very important. So this is the first thing that you have to do. Okay, so we have the lowest point A, so write A there as we are instructed. So let's produce the L shape that we are given in the end elevation. So you draw a line in this direction. Okay, then so you come to this point, so take a short line up, take a short line up here like this. Okay, now so we now need to take the measurement. So this line that I drew here is going to be for this line, and this vertical line we are going to take its measurement of this line, so which is 20 from here to here. Okay, so let me put it so that we can see it. Okay, to cover this. All right, I'm bringing it while we are working on it. Okay, so let's take 20 millimeters from point A up here. So 20 millimeters from point A up. So this is 20 millimeters. And then, so we take 8C, we could take what? Okay, so on this side, so length from here to here will be the sum of this 20 and 40. So that is 60. So we take 60 millimeters. So from this point A, so backward like this, so we have this. So here we are going to draw a vertical line at this point. So we draw a vertical line at this point. So the vertical line goes up like this. All right, so we have this now. So then we take the height from here to here, so which is the sum of these 20s. That is 60, 20 plus 20 plus 20. That is 60 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 60 millimeters from this point. So here we have this. Okay, so now, so we are going to come to this point. So setting the set square this way. Okay, so then we draw a line in this direction, and then so we come down here, so we take a line here, then so the thickness from here to here is this 20 millimeters that we have here. So we need to come here and take a measurement of 20 millimeters forward. So this is 20 millimeters. So at this point, we are going to take a vertical line down. Here we have this vertical line, so you can see. So we've been able to produce the L shape as we have here without this line. So we have this now. So once you are able to produce this, the problem is solved. So now, so let's work on how we are to put other parts on it for us to bring out the isometric view of the object. So this actually a NECO question. So let's work it out. So from this point, draw a line in this direction. So come to this point here. Also draw a line in this direction. Come to this point here. So draw a line in this direction. So come to this point. Also draw a line in this direction. So then come to this point and draw a line in this direction. So okay, so now, so the total length is 80 millimeters on this side. So come to this point and take a measurement of 80 millimeters. Take measurement of 80 millimeters from point A to this side. This is 80 millimeters here. So what you need to do now, so you just come to this point, set your set square vertical like this, and take a vertical line up to touch this line. And turn the set square. So come to this point like this, and then so draw a line from here to touch this line. Then turn the set square again. So turn it this way. So come to this point here. Okay. So draw a line to touch this point, and then so you turn the set square this way. So come to this point, the set square, and draw a line to touch this line. Okay. So we have this. All right. So what we just have to put on this object now is the feature that we have on this part. Okay, so let me bring the diagram. So this is the feature. So this, you have to have this cut and this cut to be shown like this in the plan. So let's see what we have to do. So from here to here, we have to be 15. From here to here is 15. So let's take that 15. So where are we taking that 15 from? So you come to this point here. Okay, on this line from this point. So you take 15 millimeters here, and then you come to this point. So from this point here, take 15 millimeters, in this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so then here, from here up is 20 millimeters. So you take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So come to this point here, take 20 millimeters down. So this is 20 millimeters. Okay, and you also come here. So take 20 millimeters down. So this is 20 millimeters. So we are going to connect this point together. So connect these 2 points together. So let's make it a thick line. And also these 2 points here. So you connect them together like this. So we have this. Okay, so then with our 30-degree set square, so come to this point here and transfer this line to this line, then transfer this point, transfer it to this line. Okay, so come here and also transfer this point, transfer it to this line like this. So we have this. Okay, so now, so all we need to do is to connect these 2 points together. But that won't be for this. Okay, so what we just need to do, so the object is completed. So we just need to make this line a thick line from here to here. So make this line a thick line from here down. So make this line a thick line from here down like this. And then, so this short line, we also make it a thick line from here down. Then coming to the front here, so make this line a thick line from here to here. So also make this a thick line from here to here. Then from this point, so make this line a thick line like this, and then this line, so make it a thick line like this, and then this line also make it a thick line. All right, so then all right, so we also need to make this line a thick line. All right, so and then so from this side here, so we go this way, so make this line a thick line from here to here. This also a thick line from here to here. All right, so and then so this line, so make it a thick line like this, and then this line, we also make it a thick line. So coming to this line, so make this line a thick line, and this line we make it a thick line from here to here. All right, so we have formed the isometric view of this component as we are given it orthographic views here in first angle projection. So this is its orthographic view, isometric view, sorry, this is isometric views, as simple as I've done it here. So thank you and God bless you.